Sony will reportedly enable PS5 SSD expansion this summer, The Verge. Final Fantasy VII Remake soundtrack comes to streaming services today, Yahoo Movies Canada. Tim Hortons marks 2 years in China with Tencent investment, TechCrunch. Animal Crossing, New Leaf Sanrio collab brings Hello Kitty items to your town, and Gadget. BTS launch second Casetify collection for anniversary of their hit song, on Rolling Stone. Apple begins selling refurbished M1 Mac Mini, Mac rumors. Samsung's cheapest 5G smartphone now has an LTE-only brother, PhoneArena. Elon Musk's Starlink doing well in Parry Sound, Almaguin, Sudbury.com. Sony is shutting down Knack and The Last Guardian developer Japan Studio, and Gadget. Levy, non-paying tenant tells landlord to buy a smaller house, Toronto's